What's going on, guys? We're over here in New York and we're putting up the sneeze shields inside doctors' offices all over. So make sure you check out the video, look at the website, SpartanSanitize.com, and we'll show you all the ways you can stay safe during this whole crazy corona pandemic thing.
The reason for it is especially because patients come in and when they're exposed to us and we're exposed to them, we want to make sure they keep it safe. So this is amazing that we've been able to do this at the front desk and have the patients protected and the staff protected as well.
So this protects the customer, patient, or employee from any type of pathogens coming from one person to another. So it's clear plexi, 1/4 inch, American-made plexi right here, fabricated in Farmingdale, New York. Everything is passed through so they can pass items in between. But it just ensures the safety between the employee, the patient, and make sure that everybody stays safe.
Oh, does it feel safer now?
Yes, of course. I like it. I feel much safer. Right, Veronica?
Yes, it's nice. It's safe. I feel good.
Thank you
protected.
so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, we are at our Bayside location and they just put beautiful glass for us. So we feel so much safer when patients come in. Thank you very much. Spartan Sanitizing Solution did an amazing job. Thank you so much. Spartan Sanitizing, you guys are awesome, on time, perfect, awesome work. Thank you so much.
So when you want the best, you call the best, and Spartan Sanitizing Solutions is the best.